Pocket Max. Mangmi confirms release details for its new $199 gaming handheld. Mangmi has officially announced the release details for its highly anticipated Pocket Max gaming handheld, an affordable yet powerful device designed for mobile gaming enthusiasts. Featuring a 144Hz OLED display, a significantly upgraded chipset, and a much larger battery, the Pocket Max aims to deliver premium performance at a budget-friendly price. The device is set to launch very soon with an attractive early bird discount for first buyers. The Pocket Max was first teased nearly 2 months ago, and since then, gaming fans have eagerly awaited its official release. Now, Mangmi has confirmed both the launch date and pricing, positioning the Pocket Max as a major upgrade over its predecessor, the Air X. One of the most notable improvements is the processor. While the Air X was powered by the Snapdragon 662, the Pocket Max steps up to the Snapdragon 865, a flagship-level chipset known for its strong gaming performance. Based on benchmark comparisons, this upgrade makes the Pocket Max more than twice as powerful as the Air X, ensuring smoother gameplay and better overall performance in demanding titles. Battery life has also received a significant boost. The Pocket Max comes with a battery that is 60% larger than that of the Air X, offering a typical capacity of around 8,000 mAh. This means longer gaming sessions without frequent charging, making it more suitable for extended use on the go. Another standout feature is its 7-inch OLED display. The screen offers a 1080p resolution with a 16:9 aspect ratio, making it ideal for both gaming and media consumption. The display also supports a 144Hz refresh rate, providing ultra-smooth visuals along with a peak brightness level of 800 nits. In terms of display quality, the Pocket Max competes with higher-end devices such as the iNeo Pocket Evo and the A-Note 2 Portal, which are priced much higher. Despite these premium features, Mangmi has priced the Pocket Max at just $199.99 for the base model, which includes 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The device will officially go on sale at 2 o'clock UTC on February 6th. However, this discounted price will only be available for a limited time, as the price is expected to increase to $239.99 starting February 12th.